Did you know that Excel lets you hide a worksheet beyond the standard Unhide option? This way, users can't bring it back with a simple right-click and Unhide. Even if a user knows how to reveal a normally hidden worksheet, they won't be able to find this one. In the next few minutes, I'll show you one of the most useful yet least known Excel features, Very Hidden Sheet. You've probably hidden a worksheet before using the hide option. The problem is that anyone can bring it back in just a few seconds. All they have to do is use the Unhide option. Hey, let me show you. In this workbook, I have several worksheets. If I right-click a sheet tab and choose Hide, the sheet disappears from view. Now watch this. If I right-click any sheet tab again and select Unhide, I can immediately bring that sheet back. So the regular hide feature only removes a sheet from view. It doesn't provide any real protection. This is where Very Hidden comes in. First of all, we need to enable the developer tab in the menu if it is not already available. To do this, right-click on the ribbon and then select Customize the ribbon. After that, make sure the developer tab is checked and enabled. Very Hidden allows you to hide a worksheet so it doesn't appear in the Unhide dialog box. In other words, users won't be able to restore it through the normal Excel interface. To do this, we need to open the VBA editor. Click the Visual Basic option. On the left side, you'll see the Project Explorer. This is where all worksheets in the workbook are listed. Select the sheet you want to hide. If you don't see the Properties window, press F4. In the Properties window, find the Visible property. Right now, it's set to XL Sheet Visible. Open the drop-down list and change it to XL Sheet Very Hidden. That's it. Now let's go back to Excel. As you can see, the sheet is gone. And now for the interesting part. If I right-click any sheet tab and choose Unhide, the hidden sheet no longer appears in the list. Unlike a normally hidden sheet, it can't be restored through the standard Excel menu. So, how do we bring it back? Open the VBA editor again by pressing Alt F11. Select the hidden sheet. In the Properties window, change the Visible property from XL Sheet Very Hidden back to XL Sheet Visible. Return to Excel. The worksheet is visible again. So, when should you use this feature? It's great for helper tables used in formulas. It's useful for lists that power data validation drop-down menus. It's also perfect for dashboards that rely on background data. And it's a good option when you want to hide administrative or technical worksheets from end users. One important thing to remember. Very Hidden is not a security feature. Advanced users who know VBA can still find and restore these sheets. However, it's an excellent way to organize your workbook. It also helps prevent accidental changes. To summarize, use Hide when you simply want to remove a sheet from view. Use Very Hidden when you don't want the sheet to appear in the Unhide window. If you found this tip useful, be sure to check out my other Excel tutorials. There are many more Excel features that can save you time and make your work easier.